Hey there, aspiring and seasoned models. Are you guys ready to level up your posing game and make a lasting impression at every photo shoot? Well, you've come to the right place. In this exciting video, we're going to explore only 7 stretches, and that's enough to help you pose better. So in this video, not only am I going to show you the stretches to do, but I'm also going to show you what poses look good after doing these stretches. It's just a quick little glimpse to get you in the mood and help you understand that stretching is everything and it will help you with your photo shoots. And to my freelance models, learning how to pose a lot better will help you get signed to a modeling agency a lot quicker. Scouts and agents will see that you're experienced and they will quickly want to sign you based off of your talent and your striking skills and features. And for my sign models, learning how to pose early on will help you book jobs a lot quicker when you're in development after newly signing to an agency. And with that being said, first, we're going to start off with a lateral side bend. And what this stretch does is it improves your posture by strengthening and aligning your core. So this targets your muscles along your sides, such as your obliques, and it gives you that much needed stability and spinal alignment for confident and balanced poses. When you're posing, you definitely need to have balance. It's very important because sometimes the photographer's flash or click doesn't happen so quickly. I know that sounds odd, but some cameras just click and flash a lot slower or faster than others. So at times the photographer might tell you to slow down your pose, and you need that balance to keep the right pose to get the right image. And also this stretch, it enhances your symmetry. It creates a harmonious and well-aligned body. As you can see, my body just looks harmonious. It looks aligned. I mean, honestly, this is a pose within itself. I mean, have you all seen Coco Rocha pose? It definitely just emulates something she would do. And this stretch also helps with flexibility and also range of motion. Those are critical for striking dynamic and captivating poses. So this stretch just opens up a world of possibilities, and it honestly just allows you to execute a wide range of poses with fluidity and ease. So with that being said, I'm going to now show you all the suggested poses that you can do after this stretch. Alright, so next we're going to get into the shoulder adductor stretch. And what this stretch does is it focuses on your shoulder muscles, particularly the abductors that pull the shoulders backwards. So as you can see, I'm stretching my shoulders, I'm stretching my arm, and this itself is a pose. Like, this is a pose that models do in editorial work and things of that nature. But I'm going to show you guys very soon some other poses you can do from this stretch. Also, what this stretch does is it boosts your shoulder flexibility and range of motion, which just gives you the ability to effortlessly pull off a wider variety of poses. So you can be posing a lot better while sitting down, standing up, bent over, just from having a greater range of motion in your shoulders. And whether you're aiming for graceful arm placements or intricate hand gestures, the increased shoulder mobility that this stretch does is that it helps you gain a lot more mobility and flexibility, and you're able to have versatility options, honestly. So now I'm going to get into the suggested poses that you can do after doing this stretch. Alright, and coming from those poses, we're going to go into a side bend and twist, and this is one of my favorite stretches. This stretch targets multiple muscle groups at once, including the obliques, your lower back, your shoulders. It's like a full body stretch, honestly. It improves your flexibility of your spine, which is important. I mean, I really get into posing when I'm at photo shoots and I'm really working my spine. So this is a stretch that I love doing before a photo shoot. Also, incorporating this stretch into your routine will definitely enhance your body awareness and control, and it also stabilizes your core, which is super important, and you can just like get abs from this, honestly. So it's awesome, and it also just helps you maintain a balanced and centered posture while striking awesome poses, which is very much important. I can't stress that enough. Holding poses is very important when you're doing a photo shoot. And I also want to mention that this pose improves and also adds artistic touch to your movements. It brings a sense of fluidity and grace and just makes the shots visually captivating and appealing. So this is overall an awesome stretch to do. And with that being said, I'm going to show you the suggested poses you can do from this stretch. Alright, so going into the next stretch is just a knee to chest stretch. So we're going to make our way down to the ground, and this stretch is awesome because it targets your lower back and hip flexors, which is very important. Those can be like super tight at times, just from sleeping on like a bad mattress or sitting down for long periods of time. So this stretch really just gives them a much needed stretch and relief. Not only that, but this stretch also promotes better posture, which is very important, especially if you're going into runway. You definitely want to do this stretch. I do runway. I love it. So yes, this is added to my routine. So sitting up tall, engaging those core muscles, it all just radiates confidence in your poses and just makes you look goddess-like. So good posture is like a secret weapon for jaw-dropping photos, honestly. Another thing is it helps with flexibility in your hips, which is essential for nailing a wide range of poses and just looking very dynamic and artistic and high fashion, which is awesome. And this is also great for commercial models as well. So with that being said, here are some suggested poses that you can do after doing this stretch. That being said, let's hop straight into the suggested poses that you can do from doing this stretch. Now next, we are going into the pyramid pose, and this is a overall body stretch that really helps with targeting multiple areas of muscles within your body. So this stretch really helps with your hamstrings, promoting flexibility and lengthening your leg muscles, which we all know is very important to make your legs and body look long in images when it comes to modeling. And with supple hamstrings, you'll achieve elegant and elongated lines in your poses and creating a visually captivating effect, which is so important. I mean, just looking long and, you know, striking certain poses, it really helps you stand out within your portfolio. So this stretch is very much important, and it also helps engage your core muscles, which we all love. You know, we all love abs. So it helps engage your core muscles. It provides stability and also enhances your overall body control. So honestly, this stretch just improves posture, and it helps elongate your spine, and it opens up your chest. And with a tall and aligned posture, you'll command so much attention and radiate confidence in front of the camera, and the photographer will be so surprised that they'll even probably have you throw in an extra look. So that means that they will style you, or if you came with mini clothes to be styled, you can do an extra clothing look in a different outfit, or they may even want to work with you again for free. So you definitely want to bring your A game when it comes to modeling. So with that being said, here are some suggested poses that you can do from this stretch. Awesome. So now we're going to go into the arm wrap twist, and this is one of my favorite stretches. It offers just so many benefits for model striking poses. So first, it enhances like your upper body flexibility, particularly in your shoulders and your spine. By wrapping your arms and twisting your torso, you really create a graceful and dynamic movement that adds like an intriguing and dimension to your poses. So as you can see, like, this stretch just looks like a pose in general. I mean, can you imagine doing this pose at your photo shoot, and maybe you're wearing like a bodysuit or like Calvin Klein like bralette and underwear, or just a high fashion outfit in general? Like, it's an awesome stretch. So it just promotes like better body alignment and posture, and it just makes you stand out again in your portfolio. And also it just helps improve symmetry. I mean, look at the lines that I'm creating. It's so harmonious, and it adds a touch of elegance, like I said, and balance, and it just makes your shots just so visually captivating, which is awesome. So you definitely want to incorporate this stretch in your routine so that, you know, that muscle memory can come in, and when you go to your photo shoot, you can automatically do this stretch and make it look like a pose, you know, add your facial expressions and things of that nature, and the photographer is definitely going to be loving you, honestly. So with that being said, here again are some suggested poses that you can do from this stretch. Very elegant, very calm, relaxed, and then you can really get into the movement. Muscle memory is key, guys. So stretching and remembering and holding these poses is very, very important. So with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope these stretches really help you for your next photo shoot. Comment down below any questions, comments, or concerns that you have about your photo shoot or going to one, or even just tips on how to reach out to the best photographers to work with so that you can have awesome images for your portfolio and you can get signed and things of that nature. So with that being said, I'll talk to you all next time.